Well, obviously, having that in place is really important. However, data loss is just a business-ending event. You know, if you lose your business database and your email history, you're at a significant disadvantage. Backup is what's called the ambulance at the bottom of the cliff. It's reactive instead of preventative. You know, if you're resorting to your backups, that means you've got problems in the present, and in an ideal world, you wouldn't have those problems. So that's where a lot of preventative solutions like antivirus and advanced endpoint security software can provide a lot of value. But in the security industry, we talk about having defense in depth, layering multiple protections together, which is, you know, as long as the protections are independent, there is genuine value from having multiple protections. So if we're talking about ransomware delivered by phishing, the threat has to, you know, it has to break through the email security suite. It has to break through the desktop endpoint security suite. Then it has to break through operating system security, file system permissions, auditing layers. And even if it manages to break through all of those layers, you've still got your backups. So every layer you add makes it safer and safer, and the threat is less likely to get through every single layer of defense that you have. And backup is your last line of defense if it's broken through everything else. And so the backup needs to be rock solid. It needs to be there for you in an emergency. And then with a little luck and a little planning, you can make sure these emergencies don't happen too often.